so the first thing I normally do, I always pull up on the right side just because my wallet is right here and it's just easiest. So open up the can, take off my glove, and I stay on the bike because I don't want it to be lean one way or the other and I can't get an accurate reading. Get my wallet out of my vest, which is why I have it in there. It's very practical. Once the thing reads my chip, one thing I do is I put it immediately back into my wallet because I don't want to be juggling with it. There we go. And then I could just like push it in there really hard, but I like to pull this thing back and then put the fuel in so I can actually see what's going on. Because sometimes sometimes if I just try to push it in there, it don't actually work. Or it just cuts it off too early. So I just pull this little thing back with my left hand and I just throw it until I can see it get to the top. That's another reason why I stay on the bike.
You work hard, you play hard. A drink with friends can turn into a feud. Stop.
Work hard, you play hard.
And getting a DUI is easier than you think. Plan ahead. Call a cab. You're alright. You choose to drink, choose a sober way to go. Go safe in California.
That's only about a half tank gone, so.
GSTV's word of the day.
There we go, nice and full. Over the gas tank, and there we are. So a couple things to make this pretty easy whenever you're filling up. You'll definitely prefer to stop on one side or the other, so try both. And then have your wallet in a convenient place for you to get at right away. Otherwise, getting off the bike, finding your wallet, and if the bike's on the kickstand, then you have to take the thing off. Do you come on this side? Do you walk over on this side? That's why I just like to stay on the bike. It's just easy for me to do it, and I've done it like this since I started riding. I used to do it off the bike, but then I realized I can't really see and it's an awkward angle, so I started staying on the bike. So there you go, easy enough. That's how to fill your gas tank. One out of probably a million ways to do it. That's just the way I do it. Give it a try. Talk to you guys later.